Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, grade 2 learners. Today I'm going to teach you something new, so I need you to pay very careful attention. Today we're going to learn decomposing. So I'm going to start by telling you to look on the board, and if you look on the board, I have a question that says 24 plus 12. Now in decomposing there are different steps. So your first step is to look at your question that says 24 plus 12. Now if you remember from place value, when you have a number with 2 digits, on top of the first number you put a T for tens, and on top of the second number you put a U for units. The same with the next number, we'll put a T for tens and U for units. So that is your first step, to put your tens and your units on top of your numbers. Then you skip a line, and on the next line you write the word tens and you write the word units. Now, the next step. Now we're going to look at our question again, and we're going to take out all our tens. So all the numbers that have T on top of it. So if you look at this first one, the 2 has the T on top of it. And we know that 2 tens are equal to 20. Put your plus sign. Now we're going to look at this number for the one that has the T, which is the 1. And 1 10 is equal to 10. Now we are done with all the tens. So now we are left with the units. So all the numbers that have the U on top. And from place value, you know that any number that has the U on top doesn't ever change. So the 4 units stays 4 plus sign, 2 units stays 2, and you put your equals to sign. Now we are going to add. How do we add? We're first going to add our top row, which is our tens row. So 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. And there's a magic sign that goes here, which is a plus sign. This plus sign is called your magic plus sign, and it doesn't ever change. Now we go to the next row. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, and you take your 6 and you write it underneath the second number. So you do not write it here, you write it under the second number. Now I'm going to draw what I call a big equals to sign. So one line on top, one line at the bottom. And now I'm going to add, but I'm going to add going downwards. So 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. And 3 plus nothing is equal to 3. So my answer is 36. I take my answer and I put it by my question. So let me go through the steps one more time with you. First step is you put your tens and your units on top of your numbers. Then you skip a line and you write tens and units. Now we're going to take out all the numbers with the T, so all our tens. So 2 tens is equal to 20, 1 10 is equal to 10. Now that we took out all the tens, we are only left with the units. So 4 units is 4, 2 units is 2. Then we add. So we add the first line, so 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, and you write your 6 underneath your second number, and don't forget your magic plus sign. Then you make a big equals to sign. So one line on top, one line at the bottom. Now we're going to add, but we add going downwards. So 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. 3 plus nothing is equal to 3. And my answer is 36. And I take my answer and I put it by the question. I hope you all understood. Jazakallah.